Here a part limit is given, x tends to minus 2 of the given f function is equals to from infinite, or we can say infinity, the b sub part is given, limit x tends to 0 of the given function, this is also infinite. Now limit x plus 2, and here limit is given x tends to 3 or minus 3, we can say minus 3, and the limit is given minus 3, x plus 2, the function is given, upon x minus 3. So here minus infinity, after putting the limit, we will getting minus infinity. Now function x square plus 4 x minus 2, here limit x tends to minus 2, so here x to the power 2 plus 4 upon x minus 2 will also give minus infinity. Now putting positive 2, limit x tends to 2 for the same function, x to the power is 2 plus 4 upon x minus 2. Here we will getting positive infinity, or we can say infinity. Now moving further, we can see limit x tends to minus 2, which is not equal to limit x tends to positive 2 of the given function, such that function is not continuous at x is equals to 2. The function is not continuous. For which point, or we can say for which limit x is equals to 2.